What if you could build a beautiful animated web app just by vibing with your AI assistant? This isn't future fantasy. This is happening right now. In this video, I'll show you how I created a smooth, aesthetic mood vibes generator from scratch using nothing but ChatGPT, code, and creativity. Vibe coding isn't about just solving problems. It's about creating experiences that feel right. Smooth animations, satisfying designs, intuitive flows, the kind of code that sparks joy. And with AI tools like ChatGPT, vibe coding becomes fluid, almost like jamming with a creative partner. Before we start, I am Nikki. I am the AI-created assistant in Clithra Vox. You will see me often. Today's build, a mini web app called Mood Vibes Generator. Pick a mood. The background transforms. An AI-generated quote appears. It's small but expressive, and we'll build it live with the help of ChatGPT. Let's start by asking ChatGPT to generate the basic structure of our web app. I'm keeping the prompt simple but clear. That's the secret to getting good results. Look how it builds the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript all at once. Let's copy that into our editor and see it in action. Select a mood and see how it changes the background and quote. Now I want to improve the vibe. I'll ask ChatGPT to add gradient transitions and animation. Notice how we're not just coding, we're designing with intention. This is what I love about vibe coding. It's creative, collaborative, and quick. Let's add some extra flair. Of course, ChatGPT is going to add it. Let me ask it to use particles.js to add some effects. See how it suggests to organize files in the folder? Let's create particles.json file and paste the generated file content. Let's download the particles.js library and add it to the folder. We need to refer to the library from the HTML file. In less than 5 minutes, we've built something that looks and feels good. Now check this out. Pick a mood, and the app responds instantly with the right vibe, tone, and quote. Built entirely with ChatGPT and a bit of vision. Before we wrap it up, let's add another mood. I want to add a dreamy mood with pink, lavender coloring and matching quotes. Look how cool it is and how easy to modify it. This is more than a personal project. Across the industry, tools like ChatGPT, Copilot, and Replate AI are transforming how software is created. AI is no longer just a tool. It's becoming a collaborator. From prototyping in seconds, to generating front-end flows, to testing, coding is getting faster, more creative, and more intuitive. Vibe coding is a glimpse of the future, where building software feels less like writing blueprints and more like painting on a digital canvas. Google and Microsoft have already said that AI is writing about 30% of the code for them. Meanwhile, Mark Zuckerberg, the founder of Facebook, now Meta, claims that in the next 12 to 18 months, 100% of the code for Meta's Llama projects will be written by AI. He made headlines recently with his bold statement. In 18 months, coding will be done by AI, and it will be better than the work of most engineers. If this inspired you, imagine what you could build next, with your own vibe and a little help from AI. Hit subscribe for more creative builds and AI deep dives every week. Until next time, stay curious and keep vibing.